all human beings have inherent rights regardless of nationality, residency, sex, national or ethnic origin, colors, and religion status. Without prejudice, we are all entitled to our human rights. Universal human rights are guaranteed by law. Everyone is equal in the eyes of the law, and it should be administered fairly to everyone. Everyone has the right to equal protections against any discriminations that violates the Declaration as well as incitement to discrimination. We have the right to obtain legal help and access the justice system when our human rights are not respected by the unfair law.
There's so much thing going on right now. Since I have nothing to do, maybe I should call Dayang.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just doing nothing right now, so why do you call me?
Yeah, about that. Like, have you seen the news? The news about some of these celebrities and high status people keep on breaking the law? Like, it's clearly not fair.
Of course I know, it's all over the news. Actually, a friend of mine was trying to cross the state for a reasonable excuse. Actually, her father has been hospitalized, but nothing can be done because we are people with no status and no power.
Oh god, that's really terrible. I just feel like this whole situation is turning into one-sided situation where only specific people are able to do so. The injustice in our country is still in question. What happened to our law? Where is the equality? Does it still exist?
I'm not really sure. But what do you have in mind?
Well, clearly I'm upset. All humans, despite their status in this society, we should have the right to be treated equally and fairly with our law. If we keep on letting this to happen, our country we will face major problems in our lives, economics, and so on. The higher the inequality, the more likely we are to move away from democracy. Am I right?
Yeah, you are actually right. Human rights are basic rights that belong to all of us. They embody key values in a society such as dignity, respect, and fairness.
Yep, you got that right. So I just want to ask you, what are your thoughts on our media displaying with all of these issues?
Media is covering about the sad issue really well. The articles and the media coverage done are actually an eye-opener to the public about how some people can be very twisted when it comes to the law. They abused and oppressed the weak and powerless people. Nowadays, media is very vocal and active in covering these kind of issues. Hence, media is probably one of the most crucial tools in influencing the public's way of thinking and ideology.
Yeah, that's very, very true. Actually, I've been able to stay updated with the current issues due to the media coverage. The power that the media holds in spreading information and ideology are incredible.
Wait, let me call Yasmin, since her uncle is one of the journalists, so we can ask her further about it.
Hello, Balkis. Yes, my uncle always ranting about his job because he said that being a human rights journalist must faces many challenges. Not only government regulation that affect editorial content, but also economic and corporate pressure as well as lack of public understanding of its social functions.
Oh, I see. Then did the society also give them few challenges or something?
Apparently, contemporary attacks of various types have prompted calls for stronger public support and legal protections, giving pressure for human rights journalists. The worst part is the prevalence of fake news and misinformations in the media also influence public opinion on whether or not to believe in one issue.
In conclusion, all persons shall be equal before the courts and tribunals in the determination of any criminal charge against him or his right and application in a suit at law. Everyone shall be entitled to a fair and public hearing by competent, independent, and impartial tribunals established by law. That's all from us. Thank you for listening. Bye.